Hi friends, coming to the next subject, that is a data structure. So this is the one of the basic important subject. If you want to do any programming, you need to know the concept of the data structure. A data structure is a simply it is just store the data. Anything that store the data to call it as data structure is a common word. Before going to what exactly the data structure is, first you need to know a program. What is the program consist of? If you take any program, a program consists two things. Whatever two things? One is algorithm and another is data structure. Algorithm is nothing but it is a step by step sorry step by step procedure. Why we use the step by step procedure? Step by step procedure for solving a problem, that is called algorithm. Whereas data structure, a data structure represents the logical relationship that exists between individual element. So whatever the element you are taking, a data structure represents a logical relationship that exists between individual element or data to carry out element task, that is called it as data structure. So let me explain clearly. A data structure deals with the study of how the data is recognized in memory, how effectively the data can be retrieved and manipulated. Possible way is with different data items or logically related. So let me explain how you're going to selecting a data structure. Selecting a data structure, first thing is analyze the problem. Analyze the problem to determine the resource constraints a solution must need. After that, you need to determine the basic operation. Analyze the problem, determine the basic operation that must to be supported, qualify the sorry quantify the resource content of each operation. After that, you need to data structure select the data select the data structure that best required to store the data structure and to manipulate the data. Now what is different type of data structure? Types of data structure. First, primitive data structure, and second, non-primitive data structure, then linear data structure, then non-linear data structure. So let's see the example for this data structure. Primitive data structure. Example: integer, float, and character. So this you call it as primitive data structure. So this data structure: integer is a data structure, float is a data structure, character is a data structure. Okay, why we have calling these are the data structure? Because this is going to store data, integer amount of data, storage capacity, how much data can store by using these data items. A data structure deals how how the data is organized in memory, how efficiently the data can be retrieved and manipulated, possible ways in which different data items are logically related, and whatever non-primitive data structure. So, non-primitive data structures is nothing but arrays, stack, and linear data structures. Linear data structure is nothing but a stacks, queues, linked list, then whatever non-linear data structure. The non-linear data structure is nothing but trees, graphs, so these are all called data structure. So these are all are you also called as abstract data structure. Also these are also called as abstract data structure. So why we calling as abstract data structure? Because large whenever whenever you need to work on a large to store amount of data, and if you connect a large data, we use abstract data structure like linked list, stack, queue, trees, graph, etc. So let me explain a small chart like this. Data structure are two types: built-in data structure and user-defined data structure. Built-in data structure are four types: integer data structure, float data structure, and character data structure, and pointer data structure. And user defined data set are three types: arrays, list, files. List are two types: linked list, sorry, linear list, non-linear list. Linear list are two types: stacks and queues. And non-linear list are two types: trees and graphs. Thanks for watching.